Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, I just want to simply just say hi, welcome. My name is Valkyrie. I'm a self-taught artist, and if you love art and creativity just as much as I do and everyone else who has subscribed to this channel, then please smash that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that post notification bell so that way you know when I post up my next video. Today's episode, I am taking you all to the wonderful world of art, Disney style. So, hope you guys all enjoy this video.
Why didn't I know from the very start? Oh, you left me here just to fall apart. If I wrote you a letter, would I have a chance? Would you read my letter if I had it sent? If I wrote you a chance? Would you read my letter if I had it sent? If I wrote you a letter now, would I have a chance? If I wrote you a letter now, would it even be read? If I wrote you a letter
Won't you take me home? Give me wings to fly. We can run away. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire in my eyes, stir counterclockwise. I dream of you all night. Feel with emotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling deep in love with me. Little sweet spice. Made a love potion for you. Little sweet spice. Made a love potion for you. This is the moment, no turning back. One drop on your lips and the spell will take effect. Under the moonlight, stay close to my side. We're burning so bright. Oh, 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 oh. Feel the emotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling deep in love with me. Little sweet spice. Made a love potion for you. Hey, yeah. Little sweet spice. Yeah. Made a love potion for you. Feel the emotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine. Feel the emotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine.
sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Go wish. Go wish. Go wish. Go wish. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Go wish. Go wish. Go wish. Go wish. Versace.
Oh, such a great drawing. Gosh, I had a lot of fun doing that. Thank you so very much to Tanox Art, who suggested that I do Disney. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to. And if you guys haven't seen last week's video, I'll have it at the card at the end, at the end screen thing. It'll be right there. If you love Looney Tunes, go check that one out. But thank you all so very much for watching. If you want me to do a part 2 of Disney characters, let me know in the comment section below, or share this video with all your friends and family and just say, watch this video, smash that like button. The more likes that we'll get on this video, I will automatically know right there that yes, you all would love more Disney characters. So with that all being said, thank you all so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section who your favorite Disney character is. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, I am Valkeriarts, and I will sketch yous later.